We've made some changes to the interface of the rapid texture function, and this was done in a way to allow you to more easily section out the information that belongs together and hopefully provide a better workflow for entering this values. So to get an example here, we have a material size on screen that's 30 inches wide by 10 inches tall, 0.75 inches thick. And I've drawn a straight line across the center of the material that's going to be my seed contour, the contour which the rapid texture will be based on. And here I'm going to go to the rapid texture toolbar button, and we have a few settings here. And we'll see that instead of one big long area with all the information, we've broken it up into 3 separate tabs. And with any of this information, it's the same information that was there before, and you can save this and recall it like you could previously, but it's just being presented in a little different manner. So the first tab we have is the Panels tab, and this is going to be information regarding the size of the rapid texture panel that's going to be created. And we have, first of all, a position relative to this diagram over here of a lower left position of 0, 0, which places it at the lower left-hand corner of the plate. We have a size which would oftentimes equal the plate size, or if you're using rows and columns, you might have a smaller plate size that's repeated across your plate, a smaller panel size. So this could be done a couple different ways. In this case, I'm just going to have my panel be the same size as the plate. Then you also would specify any rows and columns, and if you want to specify how much you're going to extend past the boundary of the part, you would do that here in the overlap section. The displacement section gives you the ability to set up things such as your feed rate, your wavelength, and your offset, which are going to be important in determining the overall look of the part. The wavelength being the frequency of the movement, and the offset, the general spacing between each pass. So let's say we'll have a spacing of 0.5 inches, and your horizontal and vertical amplitude reflect the amount of movement that this line will be given when the rapid texture is created. So once you have everything the way you like it, you can actually come here and save things. We'll call this demo texture. Yes, this name exists. I'm going to overwrite that. Now I can easily come and pull this from a list of names with saved settings. And one other tab we have here now is called parameters. We're going to cover these values in a different movie, but these are some new parameters that have been introduced into EnRoute. Some of them addressing kind of a fade capability, and the resolution and cleanup affect the number of points that are in the resulting contours that are created. But we'll go into these in a little bit more detail. This is the new interface for rapid texture. Once I can hit preview first, or I can hit just apply, and the contours that form the rapid texture will be created. I would then come and apply a toolpath to these to create the rapid texture itself. But this is the new interface for rapid texture as part of EnRoute 5.